Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage Amazon Family on Amazon. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Amazon Household is the name implies designed from family sharing the same residence and a somewhat traditional family structure. The two adults in the household each get access to free Prime shipping, Amazon Prime Video streaming service, and Ultimate Prime Proto account. So, how to manage this Amazon family on your Amazon account? It's so simple. So, first, we can open our Amazon. Now, you can just tap on the three lines over here, tap on your account. You can just scroll down until you find there is an option manage your Amazon family. You can just tap on that. So here's where you can manage your Amazon family. You can add a new family member to start sharing Amazon programs or manage existing member. To add new member, you can just tap on here, plus icon in here. Again, you can choose for the member for adult or child. Maybe for the example for child, you can add the birth, the date birth, now you can choose the icon. You can enter the child name. After that, you can just tap on add. So now you have a profile for your Amazon family, or maybe if you want to remove, you can also sharing in here. Here's you can do the parental control in your Amazon account. It's a simple, right? So that is how to manage your Amazon family. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.